Привет.
Hello everyone.
Цилиндры
These are ASSA ABLOY cylinders.
Таких много направляющих.
They have many such guides.
Однорядка.
Single row.
Фольга в основном 0,5. Обычная.
The foil is mainly 0.5, regular in strips.
Сам инструмент
The
тонкий.
tool itself is thin, that is a thin profile, so you can't give it force. Work very carefully because the thickness is thin, and you can easily break it or bend it. Therefore, it is very easy to load it lightly. On the reverse side, there is a very thin profile between two guides, a very thin place for the foil to enter. And here is a thin edge, so you need to smooth it well, very well.
И справа, и слева, так чтобы сделать тоненький.
Here was on the right and on the left, so that it is thin, make the foil very thin, so that it goes here between the two guides.
Ну и когда засовывать, лучше смотреть.
Well, when inserting, it is better to watch, so that you can see whether it goes in or is wrinkled. And look at the key from below, so that you can see whether it goes in normally or not.
Ну, работать.
You can simply work right and left.
Но очень аккуратно.
You can slightly up and down, but very carefully.
Так, ну не пошло с первого раза, может быть помялось.
It didn't work out from the first time. Maybe the foil got wrinkled, so we'll try again.
Так, в общем,
so in general, here is such a tool. 0.5 foil, regular. The price of the tool will be on the website. The link is under this video. Bye.